We're doing quantum EFT, and you got something you want to work on?
Yes, a couple of things.
Okay, so close your eyes, put your hands out like this, and you've got one in this hand and one in that hand. Just see which one weighs the heaviest. This one. Okay, open your eyes, tell me what's in that hand.
It's the not trusting my intuition.
Okay, so I just want you to tap on that for a start and just see what feelings come up in your body and where you feel it in your body. Even though I don't trust my own intuition.
Even though I don't trust my own intuition.
And I can feel that in my body.
I feel that in my body.
I accept myself.
I accept myself.
And everything I'm feeling.
And everything I'm feeling.
And I ask my guides and higher self.
And I ask my guides and higher self.
Where does this come from?
Where does this come from?
So I can release it once and for all.
So I can release it once and for all.
All the way back to its origin.
All the way back to its origin.
I don't trust my own intuition.
I don't trust my own intuition.
All the emotion that brings up.
All the emotion.
I can't trust my own intuition.
I can't trust my own intuition.
I can't find my intuition sometimes.
I can't find my intuition.
All the fear around my own intuition.
All the fear around my intuition.
And what I make it mean.
And what I make it mean.
All the fear in my body.
All the fear in my body.
When I think about I can't trust my own intuition.
I think I can't trust my intuition.
I can't trust my own intuition.
I can't trust my own intuition.
Where does this come from?
Where does this come from?
Asking my guides and higher self.
Asking my guides and higher self.
To help me process and release this.
To help me process and release this.
All the way back to its origin.
All the way back to its origin.
To the first lifetime.
To the first lifetime.
And every lifetime.
And every lifetime.
Where I've had this fear.
I've had this fear.
Of accessing my intuition.
Of accessing my intuition.
Where it let me down.
Where it let me down.
My intuition let me down. Look at me. My intuition let me down.
My intuition let me down.
I felt like I was let down.
I felt like I was let down.
By my guides.
By my guides.
My higher self.
My higher self.
They didn't speak to me loud enough.
They didn't speak to me loud enough.
I didn't hear them.
I didn't hear them.
And I felt abandoned.
And I felt abandoned.
Everything I'm feeling right now.
Everything I'm feeling right now.
I instruct the multidimensional layers of my DNA.
Instruct the multidimensional layers of my DNA.
To help me process and release it.
Help me process and release it.
All the way back through all my lifetimes.
All the way back through all of my lifetimes.
All the way back to every time I've experienced this.
All the way back to every time I've experienced this.
In this lifetime.
In this lifetime.
And every lifetime.
And every lifetime.
Where I felt like I couldn't trust my own intuition.
I felt like I couldn't trust my own intuition.
Okay, take a deep breath. We have tissues. A whole box full. So what was coming up for you? Did a specific memory come in?
No.
Or a feeling in the body?
Just sadness.
Yep, so let's do that. So nothing in this lifetime, just a sadness. Where's the sadness in the body?
Everywhere.
Yep. Even though I've got this sadness.
Even though I have this sadness.
It's everywhere in my body.
It's everywhere in my body.
I thank the multidimensional layers of my DNA.
Thank the multi-dimensional layers in my DNA.
For holding on to it.
For holding on to it.
To protect me.
To protect me.
But I let my DNA know.
But I let my DNA know.
That I'm safe now.
That I'm safe now.
It's safe to release and let go of my fear.
It's safe to release and let go of my fear.
Of trusting my intuition.
Trusting my intuition.
All the way back to the lifetimes where I trusted it. When I trusted it and it had me killed. Keep tapping, look at me. I'm safe now, right here, right now.
I'm safe now, here, right now.
Looking at me. I'm safe here, right now.
I'm safe here, right now.
And I'm in charge of my body.
I'm in charge of my body.
And I instruct the multidimensional layers of my DNA.
I instruct the multidimensional layers of my DNA.
To listen up.
Listen up.
I'm the master.
I'm the master.
And we're deleting this program.
And we're deleting this program.
It doesn't serve me anymore.
It doesn't serve me anymore.
All the fear.
All the fear.
All the fear.
All the fear.
All the sadness.
All the sadness.
from all my lifetimes.
From all my lifetimes.
It doesn't serve me now.
It doesn't serve me now.
And as a being of light with full free choice.
And as a being of light, full free choice.
This is my choice and my instruction.
This is my choice and my instruction.
To process and release all of the fear and sadness.
Process all of the fear and all of the sadness.
From all of the lifetimes I've experienced it.
All of the lifetimes I've experienced it.
Deleting that program.
Deleting that program.
It's outdated.
It's outdated.
It doesn't serve me in my current life.
And it doesn't serve me in my current life.
And it's my instruction to release it.
That's my instruction to release it.
From every part of me.
From every part of me.
In all dimensions.
In all dimensions.
Releasing any promises and vows.
Releasing any promises and vows.
That no longer serve me.
That no longer serve me.
Releasing the fear and persecution.
Releasing the fear and persecution.
All the way back through all the lifetimes I experienced it.
All the way back through all the lifetimes I experienced it.
Open your eyes. This is my instruction.
This is my instruction.
As a being of light.
As a being of light.
With full free choice.
With full free choice.
My soul contract in this life.
My soul contract in this life.
Is to delete those programs.
Is to delete those programs.
They've held me back for far too long. They've held me back.
Held me back.
For far too long.
For far too long.
And it's time to trust my intuition again.
And it's time to trust my intuition again.
It's safe in the energy of today.
It's safe in the energy of today.
I won't be persecuted for it this time.
I won't be persecuted for it this time.
And it's time to release the fear of persecution.
It's time to release the fear of persecution.
The fear of confrontation.
The fear of confrontation.
The fear of abandonment.
The fear of abandonment.
Throughout all my lifetimes.
Throughout all my lifetimes.
As a being of light with full free choice.
As a being of light with full free choice.
I release and let that go.
I release and let that go.
Releasing that karma.
Releasing that karma.
Of fear.
Of fear.
And sadness.
And sadness.
I am the master of my being.
I am the master of my being.
And this is my instruction to my DNA.
And this is my instruction to my DNA.
Calling on my guides and higher self.
Calling on my guides and higher self.
As a being of light.
As a being of light.
With full free choice.
With full free choice.
This is my instruction.
This is my instruction.
Releasing all memories of fear.
Releasing all memories of fear.
Of persecution.
Of persecution.
Deleting them off my computer.
Deleting them off my computer.
Releasing any traces of them.
Releasing any traces of them.
Back through all of time.
Back through all of time.
On all planets.
On all planets.
All pieces and parts of me.
All pieces and parts of me.
In all dimensions.
In all dimensions.
Releasing and letting go.
Releasing and letting go.
Of that fear and sadness.
Of that fear and sadness.
The energy of today supports me.
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 This was my soul lesson.
This was my soul lesson.
In this lifetime.
In this lifetime.
To step through that fear.
To step through that fear.
And this is what I choose.
And this is what I choose.
I choose to step through that fear.
I choose to step through that fear.
Wherever it's come from.
Wherever it's come from.
Wherever it's come from.
Wherever it's come from.
Like pulling out a thread through a garment.
Like pulling out a thread through a garment.
That no longer serves me.
That no longer serves me.
Releasing it and letting it go.
Releasing it and letting it go.
Doesn't belong in my garment anymore.
Doesn't belong in my garment anymore.
And I'm safe now.
I'm safe now.
I'm safe now. I'm safe to receive messages from my guides now.
Safe to receive messages from my guides now.
Even though I'm not sure how yet.
Even though I'm not sure how yet.
I choose to feel safe anyhow.
I choose to feel safe anyhow.
Releasing the sadness.
Releasing the sadness.
And the fear.
And the fear.
Out of every part of my being.
Out of every part of my being.
Even though I don't know where it came from.
Even though I don't know where it came from.
It's my instruction to release it anyhow.
It's my instruction to release it anyhow.
All the way back to its origin.
All That's all right.
Take a deep breath, have some water. So you see how it's working on a completely different energetic level, even though you don't know where things are coming from. You feel your body and your energy is feeling it and releasing it. And it's different with different people. Some people will get an image or a feeling of where it's come from. Others will just feel it releasing across lots of different levels, lots of different lifetimes. So take a deep breath. And how's your body feeling now when you think about connecting to your intuition? See, there's a different energy around it. She's looking at it now, whereas before it's like, I don't know how. It's now it's like, oh, I wonder what that is. There's a uncertainty.
Uncertain.
Because like, well, I don't know what that is, so I don't know what that feels like. Whereas before it was a fear and a sadness and a block, right, a wall. Whereas now there's, well, I don't know what that's like. I don't know what that is, but maybe it's safe now to look into that or to allow that. Yeah?
Yeah.
So even though it was really scary before,
Even though it was really scary before.
and there was a big wall there
And there was a big wall there.
of tuning into my intuition,
Tuning into my intuition.
now I'm a little more curious
Now I'm a little more curious
as to what that might feel like,
as to what that might feel like.
because I choose to be safe now,
Because I choose to be safe now.
and inquisitive,
And inquisitive.
and open,
And open.
and I let my guides know
And I let my guides know.
that I'm thankful for them being there,
And I'm thankful for them being there.
and I'm opening my ears and my body
I'm opening my ears and my body
to tune into the radio station and their frequency
to tune into the radio station and their frequency.
to receive what I need to receive
To receive what I need to receive.
for my highest good
For my highest good.
and the highest good of those around me.
And the highest good of those around me.
Releasing the remaining fear,
Releasing the remaining fear.
allowing myself to be open
Allowing myself to be open.
and receiving the messages that are good for my highest good
And receiving messages that are good for my highest good.
and the highest good of others around me.
And the highest good of others around me.
I am safe now.
I am safe now.
I choose to be safe now.
I choose to be safe now.
I'm safe in this body, in this energy, and this lifetime.
I'm safe in this body and this energy and this lifetime.
To receive information
To receive information
from my guides and higher self
from my guides and higher self.
and tune into my own intuition.
And tune into my own intuition.
It's safe to trust it.
It's safe to trust it.
Cool. So see how that's a completely different energy? We should have done that before psychometry.
Sorry.
No, that's good. It just showed that there was something to work on, right? It was like the highlighter pen saying to work on this because there's a block here, right?
Yep.
So there's nothing wrong with it. It was perfect. It showed where there's something that needed to be worked on. So good. Onion layers peeling. Well done. Big release, big breath.